Hello Atlanteans, and welcome to Atlas, your new student portal. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to access your new account in the student portal, as well as checking the basic options. As a first step, we are going to need you to log into the online campus. Click on the profile section and scroll down until you see your AU key. Now, your AU key is a direct link that will take you to Atlas, your new student portal. Once you land on the new page, you need to sign in with your AU Google account. Please be sure to select your Atlantis University email account. Once you log in, on the left side of the screen, you are going to see your navigation panel. By clicking the plus button, you will open your main options such as personal information, subjects, and financial aid. Your personal information tab will divide the screen into two blocks. The first block is going to contain your personal information within the university. Please check to ensure that the spelling is correct and everything else is accurate. If by any chance you need an update of this information, you will notice on the top side of the screen a bug button. You can click on it and you are going to have the report issue window displayed, where you can type in your issue and the description to correct your information. If it is personal information, you can always attach a valid ID so we can quickly verify any other mistakes. After you are done, you can click on the submit button and your changes will be placed by the university. On the second block of the screen, you are going to be able to see your home and mailing address. On this section, you are going to have your access to edit it thoroughly. While you finish your changes, please click on the mark button. The second option of your navigation page is your enrollments. You are going to be able to see the historic grades, unofficial transcripts, access to your current GPA, credits, and attempted credits. If you are currently in a current class, it will be on the class schedule option. Now, the third option is the financial aid tab, where you're going to be able to have access to your student ledger. It will show you all the payments and charges that have been posted for your tuition with Atlantis University. Now, we hope that this tutorial has been useful and serves you well. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to Atlantis University support team. Thank you very much.